Hello everyone, welcome back to C programming tutorial for beginners. In this video, let's try to understand a very important question. Why should we learn C programming? If you are new to coding, this video will give you the right motivation to start. So why we learn C programming? Because C is the foundation. So why C is the foundation? Normally we call C as the mother of all programming languages. So many popular languages like C++, Java, Python, directly or indirectly, these are built from C only. But still, if you see, it is relevant in today's life also. Even though it is old, C is still widely used. Where it is used in operating systems, embedded systems, databases, compilers, etc. For example, if you take one Windows, okay, so in Windows, part of Windows, Linux, even databases like MySQL, all these were written in C only. And also, this is the best language for beginners to learn. Of course, C is close to hardware, but still readable. So this balance makes it perfect for beginners to really understand how computers work. And of course, it is also used as part of industry and placement oriented. So many companies and many interviewers still ask lot many questions on C programming itself. So if you master C, you'll find it much easier to learn C++, Java or Python later. So for beginners, think of C, it is like riding a bicycle before driving a car. So once you know C, other languages will feel much easier to handle. So let's quickly summarize what did we see. So why we learn C? Because it's powerful, it's the foundation of programming, and it will make you a better problem solver. So learning C is like learning the roots before climbing the tree of programming. That's all for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next one.